Hi, it's me, Shane, again from Dekiru English Academy with another slideshow. Let's go! Boom, boom, boom. Today, on Don't Confuse These Words, let's look at embarrassed and ashamed. These are words that I often hear mistaken. So, listen carefully. If you're walking down the street and you fall, ouch, that looks painful, and you think, wow, I am embarrassed. Maybe you're not embarrassed. I think you're hurt, but look around. If nobody's there, just stand up, go home, clean your clothes. But maybe you're not embarrassed. But if you fall and somebody sees you, well then you're embarrassed. That's embarrassing. And hopefully, if they see you, they should say, "Are you okay?" She's not very nice. Okay? So, embarrassed means somebody sees you do something foolish. Okay? If you're walking down the street and you're happy, la 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 la, and maybe you ate lunch and you have food on your face, but you don't care, you're happy, you don't even know. La la la. And then someone says, "Hey, you have food on your face." Well, you're embarrassed. That's embarrassing. Okay? So that's somebody saw you. Ashamed is different. So he is ashamed. Why? Oh, he got a bad grade on his test. He got an F. So he feels bad. He's ashamed. Ashamed is if nobody is there, you still feel bad because you did something wrong. Inside, you feel bad. You're ashamed. So when you're alone and you do something bad, or if somebody sees you and you do something bad, you're ashamed. Okay? Embarrassed. Someone sees you do something silly, funny, strange, but not bad. You just made a mistake, that's all. So laugh and, that's embarrassing. Ashamed? You feel bad, even if nobody sees you, because you did something bad and you know it's wrong. So you're ashamed, or somebody sees you, you're ashamed. For me, I love singing in the car. La 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 la. I'm very happy singing in the car. But if I look and somebody is watching me singing, I become very embarrassed. It's embarrassing. So, okay, that's the difference between embarrassed and ashamed. Okay, let's finish. This is a short and hopefully easy lesson for you. I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.